In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all epics in Jira. Navigating through Jira to find all your epics can be a bit of a maze if you're not too familiar with its interface. Thankfully, with a few simple steps, you can easily locate and manage all your epics within your projects. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive right into it. First things first, what exactly is an epic in Jira? An epic is a large body of work that can be broken down into smaller tasks, known in Jira as stories, tasks, or bugs. Viewing all epics within a project is crucial for managing your project's scope and ensuring that all tasks are aligned with your project's objectives. Let's start this journey from the very beginning. Once you're logged into Jira, you'll want to navigate to the Your Work section. This can typically be found at the top of your Jira dashboard. Clicking on this will take you to a page that summarizes your recent projects and tasks, giving you a bird's eye view of your workload. Now let's hone in a bit closer on our target. From the Your Work section, you'll see various options, but the one you're interested in is Projects. It's here that you'll find a list of all the projects you're involved in. If you're working on multiple projects, this page can get pretty crowded, so take a moment to locate the specific project you're interested in exploring further. Once you've identified the project, go ahead and select it. This will take you deeper into the project's landscape, revealing several tabs related to various project components, such as dashboards, issues, reports, and more. But what we're particularly interested in today is viewing the epics. To do this, you're going to click on the backlog from the available tabs. The backlog houses all the issues that are planned for your project but have not yet been tackled. They're queued up here waiting for their turn to move into the active sprints or be developed, depending on your project's methodology. Here in the backlog, amidst the myriad of issues and tasks, is where the epics gracefully sit, waiting to be unfolded. An epic's generally more extensive than a standard issue, and can encompass several individual tasks or stories that fall under a shared goal or functionality. Understanding how to find and manage these epics is crucial for maintaining an organized and efficient workflow in Jira. You've successfully navigated to the place where all your project's epics are listed. Congratulations. This is where you can get a comprehensive view of the larger goals within your project. You can see the title of each epic, its progress, and how many issues are grouped under each epic. It's a valuable space where you can plan, prioritize, and monitor the progress of significant portions of your project. But don't just stop there. Dive into each epic to see the connected tasks and stories, giving you insight into what's been completed, what's in progress, and what's yet to be started. This level of insight can help you manage your project scope, allocate resources more effectively, and ensure you're on track to meet your deadlines. Remember, the key to successfully managing projects in Jira or any project management tool is to stay organized and maintain a clear overview of all the moving parts. By knowing how to view all epics in Jira, you're well on your way to achieving just that. And that brings us to the end of our how-to guide. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're now more comfortable navigating Jira to view all the epics in your projects. Don't hesitate to rewatch any sections if you need a refresher. The more you practice, the more efficient you'll become at managing your projects within Jira. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial. Until then, happy project managing.